Hello and welcome to another 3-minute kit review with Bearded Veteran Photography Creates. My name is Mike and today we're going to be taking a look at the World War I US Medical Personnel 135 kit from ICM. I must admit ICM are one of my favourite model manufacturers, especially for my World War I kits. This kit has 2 casualties, an orderly and a nurse, and I'm going to be putting it with an ambulance like the one in the painting to make a diorama for my Friends of Models for Heroes group build. Friends of Models for Heroes is a registered IPMS group that is open not just to veterans and members of the emergency service community, but also modelers who are members of the public who just want to support a worthy veterans organisation. You can join for just £12 a year, and for that £12 you can join in weekly FaceTime sessions with us, and you can also take part in prize draws and group builds, share advice and share your work with the rest of the group. With all that being said, now let's get into the box and see what's inside. As we open the box, one of the first things we find is a leaflet advertising the new water-based acrylics paint range from ICM and information about the new range, such as it has 77 colours in a range, 3 varnishes, gloss, matte and satin, in 12ml bottles including 6 clear colours, 10 basic colours and 11 metallics. We also have information on the varnishes, and on the inside of the leaflet we find information on their 6 new 17ml primer bottles, their acrylic thinner bottles, and their 47 6 12ml bottle acrylic paint sets to go with their kits. And on the back we find a colour chart showing the full range of ICM colours that will be available, including metallic paints. We also find the QR codes for more information and for a comparison chart at the bottom. The second leaflet, we can see that because this is a figurine kit, we don't have instructions as such. What we do have is some really nice sketches and colour drawings of how to paint the models themselves. As we take a look at the rear of this leaflet, we can see that there's a photograph of the sprue and a list of recommended paints with both Revell and Tamiya numbers on them. At the bottom there's also the caution and the address of the company. As we move on to the kit itself, we can see that in this box there's only one sprue, which contains all 4 characters and the stretcher. You'll notice that the sprue is really well organised, with each character having its own individual box on the sprue. The sprue is highly detailed, really well moulded and up to usual ICM standards with no flash. Figures are really well detailed, especially for a 135 kit. You can even see the crease in the clothes and strands in the hair. As you can see from this final image, the detail is really lovely and crisp and should come up really nicely when painted. Well folks, that just about does it for that kit. So let's take a look at the other kit I'm putting with the diorama. It's the Model T 1917 ambulance. Here we can see the engine and chassis that I've done in olive green. Here we have on the interior panels. And as you can see, I've painted the bottom wood and the sides white. And here it is with the interior completed. Well, that does it for this episode. So don't forget, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll hope to see you all again soon. Bye!